To add Salesforce Cases as a knowledge source, navigate to AI Agents and select the AI agent you want to configure. In the Knowledge section, select Sources, click Add Knowledge, and choose Apps. From the list of available apps, select Salesforce Cases. Before proceeding, make sure your Salesforce account is already connected to Enjo. If not, refer to the Salesforce Integration Setup Guide to complete that step first. Select the desired option and click Next. Click Create New Knowledge Source and enter a descriptive name, for example, Salesforce Cases, medium priority. In the Filter panel, define which cases you want to index. You can filter by case number, name, email, company, case status, case type, priority, and more. Enter your filter as a SOQL expression. For example, to index only medium priority cases, enter in the Salesforce section, based on priority. You can set it to handle cases with high, medium, or low priority, depending on your needs. Let's go back and specify the priority. You can write priority and set it equal to medium in single quotes. You will train the system based on this criterion and then click Get Count. Once completed, the total number of articles will be indexed, and you can start the indexing process. Your Salesforce cases are now queued for indexing, and you can view the details to see all processed articles in the list. That's all.